look like a banana?
I was about to say cane.
Cane? What are those?
Is it palm passion? I don't know.
A passion. Hello, my gardening family. So I'm here with my niece, Tavoya.
Hello.
And my son, Lejean.
Hi.
I could never eat any breakfast. Anywho, so guys, I'm taking them around the garden just a little, to see if they actually know what I'm going. Tavoya is visiting for the holiday, but before she migrated, she's usually in the garden with me, so she know a lot of stuff. And you know, my son is always there with me, so he knows a lot of stuff too. And the thing about it, when Tavoya migrated, I am so happy that I impacted her life, that when she migrated, girl, grow our own little vegetables like our lettuce and girl, grow our little food over there in the UK. Yeah, it feels so good to know that, you know, she took that from me. Her best aunt ever.
Yep.
Alright guys, so let's see what they know in the garden. Alright, my gardening family, so they are ready. Ready? Ready guys?
Yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so this that I'm showing them right here, what is this?
Corn. Okay. It's corn.
You knew that it was corn, Tavoya?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So, what is that over?
Cabbage.
What is it? What is it, Lejean? Oh. Wait. Don't change. What? Wait. What you said, Tavoya?
I said it's cabbage.
What you said, Lejean?
I said it's cabbage.
For which one? This one?
No, he didn't. He said it was lettuce.
Alright. Alright, fine. For this one, you both said this is cabbage?
Yes.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you.
Well, right.
It is pak choy.
Huh?
Wait, what were you? All of those are pak choy.
I didn't know
But
that.
they do look somewhat like cabbage going to go inside. So, and I can't fight it down for that. So what about this right here? What is that?
Cabbage. No.
This one.
No. This one.
This, yes, that one. Dun, dun,
I have no idea. Alright, so I know what it is, but I always forget the name.
What it begins with?
I think it was like a seed.
But we eat this. We eat this all the time.
Yes,
I will use it. You know,
everybody, but I forget the name.
But I use it to make dumplings. What is it?
Wheat.
Is what?
Wheat.
No, that is not wheat, Tavoya. Tavoya, I know when you were here before you migrated, you didn't like to eat it. But
Tomato?
Tavoya, that is greens. What you talking about? You see the fruits on there? Your greens that you didn't like to eat when you were.
And red cabbage?
No, it's not red. It's not cabbage and red cabbage. I know what you're talking now. You're onto something, Lejean. Try again.
Lettuce?
Ka. Yes. So Lejean, when you said cabbage and red cabbage, I was like, all right. He knows what he's saying, but he just don't remember the name. So it's callaloo. Lejean, we eat callaloo so often.
At least I have one and she has one. It's still easy.
Well, I am not counting. My garden family will decide. Is it a match, by the way? I didn't know it was a match.
It's favoritism nowadays. Favoritism. Favoritism.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you have to say?
Nothing.
So it's not a match. It's not a competition.
Actually, yeah, it is.
It is?
It is. Wait.
Alright.
For me, it's not, because this is light work. It's so
what?
easy. It's so easy. It's not my competition. You just called that right there lettuce. And what did you call it? Let's ignore that.
Okay. Alright, so what is this? Because You bought
banana.
What is it, Tavoya?
Banana.
Tavoya, did you know?
No.
Did you know initially?
No.
So what you think it is? Does it look like a banana?
I was about to say cane.
Cane? That's not it. You puke. You don't know cane look. You eat cane since you came?
Yeah.
Really, Tavoya, so this look like cane to you?
No.
Hey girl, if you say it can't look like cane, that to the bother. Anywho.
Fun fact, this is the most natural way to heal your wounds.
To what?
Heal your wounds.
How?
It's natural.
How is it?
Alright, so there's like a white thing in here, and then you just break off the leaf and add it to your wound.
So how you knew that? You saw it somewhere on the internet? Okay. Alright.
He can't get
that sounds like something Mama could tell us about. Anybody watching knows anything about that? Confirm. Anyways, what is this right here? Come. What is this?
Scallion.
What is it? Lijon?
Well, onion. You could call it onion.
Americans call it green onions. It is scallion. We call it scallion. And you have a point that underneath is onion. But that's not the case with this scallion. The onion itself that grows the bulb, this one doesn't go bulb. It's like it's straight. It has a little round shape sometime at the very end, but it doesn't go the bulb like the onion. But the onion, we could say that the top is scallion or green onions, and then the bottom is the bulb onion. Alright, so who can shout out what this is, right? Can you tell me what those flowers are?
That's a daisy.
Nah, have a good point though. It does look like a daisy, somewhat. What is Lijon? You know those?
Yes.
What are they?
I still don't know the name, but I know what they can be used for.
What they use for?
Alright, so these can be used for healing, medicinals, and all of that. Yeah.
Nah.
You think that flower? That's wrong.
Yes.
It's wrong. The flower looks just like this one. Is it not that one?
No, it's not the marigold. That's what you're thinking? The marigold?
Yeah.
These attract, yes.
Oh, they take the pollen?
Yes.
Okay.
So these attract pollinators. These are called zinnias.
Zinnias?
Yes.
Okay.
Alright. Now this is drying up because soon it will be ready to be harvested. Now, I know you probably don't know by just looking at it, but if you peep down in the container right there,
it's ginger.
Yes. You saw a piece of ginger, push it out.
Yeah. No, and there's a piece coming up as well. So
yes, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Alright, so you see that tree right there that has fruits on it? Go over there, go closer.
Over here?
Come around, Tavoya. That one. What are those?
They have little seeds in them.
Yes.
No, I know what it is. Oh my god. Is it pampashan? I don't know. Pampashan.
Of course, everything in here you can eat.
No, I was so confused. It has little tiny seeds in there, and I remember I eaten
Pampashan. It's give up.
Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Yes.
Oh my god. Yeah, they
had it before, Tavoya?
Yeah, I have it.
You had it before,
little tiny red seeds.
Yes. Alright.
Really nice. Close. I knew what I was trying to
Pampashan. Lord of Jesus. Alright, so what is this inside here? So, what is this?
Mutton. No, pumpkin. What did I say?
You said melon. You said melon.
It looks like melon, but it's actually pumpkin.
Yes,
It doesn't look like melon at all. Don't listen to her. It does. There's a clear view that this is not pumpkin. Pumpkin would have like the line wouldn't be broken up like this. It would be straight. You said this is not pumpkin, and you said pumpkin.
This is now melon.
Yeah, that's what you mean.
Oh, you said pumpkin?
Yeah.
Well, that's a mistake. If you said it. Alright, let's go. This right here.
Eggplant.
This one, you knew it, man.
I can't even see anything.
You knew it. You knew what it was.
Yeah, because like it's just a shape of an eggplant. It's just like a baby right now.
Alright, so go around that side. Go back around here.
Okay.
Alright, who can tell me what this is?
Well,
this right here that I'm pointing to. Look, with the phone.
This?
Yes.
Okay.
What is it? It's a root crop.
Root crop.
It grows under the soil.
Is it like a grapevine?
No, I said it grows under the soil. What it brings to the food.
Potato?
Yes. Potato.
That was a guess, guys. It was a guess.
What is this?
Dragon fruit.
What is this right? This beautiful flower right here.
That's like purplish.
What? Yes. What
No. I know it.
Okra? Yes, okra.
Yeah. Yes, I do.
You do?
Maybe.
Alright, I bet none of you. None of you can tell me what this is.
Wait, can you give us a clue?
Berry? No.
So it's a type of berry.
Yes. I know you're not going to get it. So I'm going to
In
tell
the
you.
name there. Okay.
Cherry? It's actually gooseberry.
Gooseberry, I heard of that. Pepper.
What kind?
Green pepper.
Oh, please. Really?
Bell pepper.
Of course it is green.
A bell pepper.
No.
Jalapeno.
Scotch bunny.
Huh?
Scotch bunny peppers.
Is I won and cheated.
So what do you want to say?
I want to say that he absolutely cheated. I haven't even been here for long, and he's obviously been with you since he was literally 0 months old.
So you can redeem yourself. So why you tell me cheated?
It's because like he has a fake dictionary in his head. Oh, also, just because my vocabulary is expanded to a level where her brain cannot understand. Alright, she can win the challenge if she tell me what this simple fruit is.
What is it?
It starts with P. Go ahead. P.
Which one? Oh, the tree.
Yeah. Go ahead.
What is it?
I thought the challenge ended, guys.
P.
What you guys?
You know what it is, by the way?
No.
What is it, Lijan? Tell her.
It tastes. Alright. It's yellowish when it starts out. Has a.
Lijan, just tell her.
Just tell me. I can't remember the name. That is just that.
It's papaya.
I know.
You're asking her something. Lijan, you didn't remember. So no, you don't know.
I did. I just want to say. His vocabulary is not bigger than mine because I'm actually going to 7th grade, and
you're so tiny.
Yeah, that is true. But still, he has no rights to say that he has a more vocabulary than me.
Alicia, what you have to say?
I'm just better.
Listen, we're in here because we gotta go somewhere else. Alright, so this is where we leave you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.